Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove watermark with WhatsApp. I'm going to be removing watermark from our PhotoLab picture with our WhatsApp. In case you don't know how to generate your picture from PhotoLab, kindly check my channel. You will see a video that I've already made, a detailed video on how to generate your own picture with PhotoLab. So today we are going to be removing watermark from the picture with our WhatsApp. So after you click on the share icon, after generating your picture, you will click on WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp, it's loading. Just try to have a stable network. So mine is actually loading. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Okay, so I'll click on status. You can actually click on any, maybe you can send it to yourself, directly to yourself, because in WhatsApp now you can send the message to yourself. So I'll click on status. Okay, so the first thing I will need to do is to remove this right up here so that I will not forget. In case I want to send it to my status, I will not forget to remove it. Okay, you can actually do that as the last thing. You can do it as the first thing. So the next thing now is to click on this icon, this pen. You click on it, then you click on this here, this where this arrow is pointing to, this one here. You click on it. After clicking on it, you will use your finger to tap on this watermark as if you are using your finger to erase the watermark. Just rub your finger on the right up there. You can see as I'm doing it, it's erasing. Okay. Then you click on done. You can see it's completely erased. There's no watermark on my picture anymore. So you can actually screenshot it from here. Or you want to send it to your status, you can send it to your status. You want to send it to someone, you can send it to someone. You can screenshot it and save it from this place. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Like and share my video. Leave a comment below. Thank you for coming back. God bless you. Bye.